Alright guys, we're in Forest House Cafe. So here's their logo. Here is their sign here. Alright, here's their sign. Alright, that's when I'm there. So I'm gonna show you this place. It have a great view in here. You have a great view in here. Just look at the view. This is beautiful. Alright. Isn't that beautiful? Alright. So, sunny day with drinking coffee. Alright. So I'm gonna go up there. Going up there. Going up there. This is the floor. The lights are cool. Where are the lights? Oh, that one's very shabby. This is so cool. There's a little coffee station right over here. Even make juice and coffee. It even make juice and coffee. And this is our table. Hello, John. Hello, Mom. All right. We have been finished ordering. Oh yeah, we've been finished ordering. I like the carpets on the ceilings. I'm gonna show you the inside of there. Oh, it's not there. This way is the right way. This is the right way, okay? What? Look at that. That looks so good. It's more cooler than with these lights and baskets, plants, green plants and chairs. That's a lot of details. Look at that. So cool. That's the little boy. Alright. I've been finished ordering. So, that is tea. Dad has his tea and Mom has his Chinese tea. And I'm waiting for my juice, yeah. Like jelly juice, yeah. So I'm gonna AFK to get my jelly juice, okay? I'll see you when I get my AFK, okay? Alright, we finally got our cheese corn. And Mom just ordered a coffee. And this is cheese corn. Oh, look at all the cheese. Cheesy. Try and eat it, Mom. Try and eat it. Is it good? Very good. She's very good. So let me try it. Alright, let me try the cheese corn. Here's the cheese corn. Very good. You should try the cheese corn and the coffee. The best meal in this cafe is the coffee. The coffee is so good. You should try the coffee when you come to this cafe. Okay. Alright, so this cheese corn. Here's my jelly. Yogurt jelly. And Mom's got his coffee right here. And John's tea. I like this cafe because I like this view. I like this view. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to subscribe. subscribe to our channel, okay? I'll see you later.
원자는 거는 원자는 거는